Asthma is manifested by wheezing, respiratory difficulty, fullness in the chest, shortness of breath, cough, and excessive phlegm, which caused by coronal spasm and bronchial stenosis. Cough is a typical symptom of common cold and bronchitis. Holographic meridian scraping therapy can be used to remit bronchospasm, relieve asthma, and dispel phlegm. 10 to 24 hours after the scraping, some patient syndromes can be relieved gradually. After the asthma is remitted, scraping should be carried on in order to consolidate the therapeutic effect and avoid reoccurrence. This patient suffered from asthma for years, and now he has fullness in the chest, asthma, cough, and difficult in dispelling phlegm. Head scrap regions. Rigorously scrap middle region of forehead. Scrap bilateral region 1 lateral to forehead from the inner canthus upward to the hairline, and the anterior 1/3 of vertex region between GV20 and the hairline. Scrapped points.
刮拭的穴位有大椎、定喘、大柱、至阳、气喘、膈腧、天突、中府、膻中、至始、肾腧、曲泽、尺泽、内关、太渊、足三里、丰隆。
Using board scraping, scrap GV14 to GV9 and from bilateral B11 to B17. With the corner of plate, scrap Ding Cui point lateral to GV14 and Qi Chuan point for case of asthma, in order to remit trachea spasm. Scrap CV22 to CV17 and bilateral L1 point, where should be scrapped slowly for weak constitutions. Using board scraping, scrap bilateral projective region of the lung on the chest along the rib bones from the inside to the outside. Scraping should be applied mainly at LI11 and P6. After scraping, dredge the scrapped points to the middle fingertip. The points on the inside of the elbow joint can also be tapped to dredge meridian. Blackish bleeding suggests serious oxygen deficiency. For the case of asthma, bilateral B52 and B23 can be scrapped with reinforcement manipulation in order to nourish the kidney. L9 can be scrapped for cough and S36 to S40 for excessive phlegm. Purplish black bleeding at S40 indicates excessive phlegm with a long time. Cutaneous bleeding has the effects of dispelling phlegm. During scraping the hand, scraping should be applied mainly and heavily at the thenar and hypothenar. Patients can usually scrap the sole, and scraping should be applied mainly at the corresponding regions of the heart, lung, and kidney on the sole.
肾脏的对应区。
After scraping, the syndrome of fullness in the chest and asthma are obviously remitted.